Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D printed soup. After last week's horrible viral infection that had me coughing and choking and generally feeling like I was in the latest Exorcist movie, I am now fully recovered and ready to do some more fantastic 3D printing videos. This week I went back to basics. I thought, you know what I haven't done in ages? I haven't done a bust print. And yes, I do like a good bust. And I thought, hey, who's got the best bust in the business? Deadpool, that's who. And I thought, yes, I will find myself an awesome 3D printed Deadpool bust to stick on my desk. So I had a dig around and found this absolutely fantastic bust by this designer right here. It's a great piece of design, and I think it really shows off Deadpool's character. And I like the fact that it doesn't have his sort of blank black patch on his face. This is when he's taken the mask partially off and you can see his horribly cancer-eaten face and his disgusting pus-covered yellow eyes underneath his iconic Deadpool mask. So yeah, we're going to get this thing printed and we're going to make ourselves a cool piece of desk decoration. Before I do, thank you to everyone who's liked to subscribe. Well over 2,000 now and heading to 3,000. Next stop 10,000. You know we can make this. If you haven't liked and subscribed, drag your cursor down, hit the subscribe button, and welcome to the Bust Appreciation Society, which is 3D printed soup. Let's give this a try. And yeah, with the painting done and the print finished, I'm very happy with this guy looks. I went over him with some contrast paints to bring out all the red leather, and then I went over that with some shade paint to get into all the cracks and details. I then used some flesh colour on his face to bring out the eyes, and a little bit of pussy yellow to get his irises all horrible and disgusting, because in the film it's Ryan Reynolds, but in the cartoon and the comic books he is fully messed up and he's nowhere near as pretty as they make him out to be in the Marvel universe. So yeah, very happy with this, and he's going to have pride of place in my collection on my desk. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, like and subscribe, keep printing.